In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check order history in Binance. To get started, open the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in before continuing since your order history is tied directly to your account activity. Once you're on the main screen, look for either the markets or trade section. Depending on the version of the app you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the overall process is very similar. After entering the trading area, select spot if you want to review your spot trading orders. This is important because Binance separates different types of trading and your order history will usually be organized by category. So if you're specifically trying to check spot trades, make sure you're in the spot section before moving on. From there, look for the orders or history icon. In most cases, this appears near the bottom of the trading screen. Tap that option to open the order related menu. This area is where Binance stores information about your trading activity, including what orders you placed and what happened to them. Next, choose Order History. Once you open it, you'll be able to see a record of your completed, canceled, and expired orders. This can be very helpful if you want to confirm whether a trade went through, review past activity, or keep track of changes in your trading behavior over time. If you need to narrow down the results, use the Filter option. Filters make it much easier to find a specific order, especially if you trade often or have a long history. You can filter by trading pair, such as BTC and USDT, which helps if you only want to view orders for one market. You can also filter by date range, which is useful when you're looking for activity from a certain day, week, or month. In addition, you can filter by order status, allowing you to focus only on completed orders, canceled orders, or expired ones. Take a moment to review the details shown in the list so you can better understand your trading history. This section can be useful for record keeping, checking execution results, and staying organized inside the app. And that's how to check order history in Binance. Once you know where to look, it's a quick and simple process that makes managing your trades much easier.